Yes. Hi, this is our crew, Jackass crew from Aloja. Jackass crew number 2.
We're not copying real Jackass.
Yes. What do you think? What is louder than moped? Yes, you know the answer. Moped without exhaust pipe in 12 o'clock in night.
Maybe 11.
11, okay.
Yes.
And we're going to
show you
Yes.
this fun thing.
Yes, in Latvia.
Yes, in Aloja.
So you can see it's dark outside.
Yes.
And it's 10:30.
Yes.
Yes, yes, something like that. Okay, here we go. Atstādam. Okay, this is our first camera. I'm driving with a moped. Let's see what goes on.
This is first camera. Here he comes.
Okay folks, this is camera 2. Now we are going to wait while our driver comes. First camera is above 2000 meters from me. The ride will be filmed from 3 angles. One camera is on moped too, but it can't really show all what is happening. It just will take the sound. Okay, we are waiting. Oh my god, I can hear him from I can hear he's about 500 meters from me. Oh my god, we are waiting him. It's dark. I guess you can see just you will see just lights from moped's front. Oh my god, I can see him. He's coming. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so loud. I'm going after him. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Folks, this was camera 2, Latvian Jackass.
This is third camera.
Okay, our ride today is over.